Today we've come to Swithens Farm. Those carrots there. Do you want to have a look round? These are lovely. Whoa. Look at they got strange effects on them. They've got strange effects, haven't they? Like a holographic effects. Wow. Are they kaleidoscopes? Let's see if I can do it through the camera. Oh, I can. You just twist the end. No, you got to mix. So just twist it from the side. Have you got it? They're a bit cursed, if you ask me. Do you think they're a bit cursed?
This is even more cursed. Look at this.
Oh, that's quite that's quite satisfying.
This is what is this? Oh my god! Look at this.
That's very satisfying.
Got some carrots for the animals. Yeah, and you can do a trail if you want to. And you get stickers. Shall we go? Sorry? I can't hear you. I know, they're very cute, aren't they? Oh, look at that ghosty. Look at that ghosty. It's got eyelashes. Oh, that's adorable.
Oh, is there a spider?
Mason. Scarlet is Sebastian. Scarlet. Yeah. Gosh, you got Layla. I need to call you Layla. I should have called you Layla.
Look at the cow.
I feel like we did a pumpkin picking thing
we did.
here.
We did.
Is that it? So it was Halloween, wasn't it?
Yeah, I've already got a plant.
Oh my god, look at that cow.
Do you know what? It might have been a year ago, right? Hey, buddy.
Oh, cute.
Hello, you.
Sarah said that she remembers a cow sneeze on her face here.
Really?
You're beautiful. Don't touch the conditioner. Oh, you've got a wet nose, so.
Oh. Esmeralda. Hello. must just say that the smell in here is insane. It is pungent. No. Wow, that's lovely colours, that one, isn't it? What? Whoa. Hello, babe. They're lovely colours, these ones, aren't they? Hello, mate. How you doing? You okay? Yeah, they're all having a little sleep. Yeah, these are having a little sleep, look. They're nice and relaxed. He's very friendly, isn't he? Hello, mate. They've got very big ears, haven't they?
Oh my god, it's not just it.
Yeah, I saw that.
Yeah.
Oh. Come start. Merci.
Budgie, the little helicopter.
Yeah.
JJ.
Yeah.
That one's got horns.
Oh, welcome to the beach.
It's just like when we were back in Southend, isn't it?
Yeah, just like that.
Huh?
Yeah. Exactly like that.
Here we are. Whoa. I haven't sat in a deck chair for 20 years. They're quite comfortable, actually. They're very comfortable.
Don't get your bum wet.
It's a lovely day here. Really nice.
You could just fall asleep on a deck chair.
Sorry?
You could just fall asleep on a deck chair.
Yeah,
you
you
want to go
could.
on the swing?
Could do.
Leave them in your pocket. Oh, leave them in your pocket.
I'm just going to chill here for a bit. Nice. Really nice activity to do on a Sunday. Really enjoying it. Especially when the weather's like this. So we've got some animal feed. And we're going to do a bit of, we're going to do some feeding of the animals as well. So yeah, good. We're going to the Jorvik Centre on Tuesday. So that'll be good in York. Really looking forward to that. Never been there before. So that.
It's a lovely, a beautiful view from here, to be fair.
It is lovely, isn't it?
Stunning.
They've got Ghostbusters blaring through the farm at the moment, haven't they?
Halloween special, yeah.
It's a good thing I'm wearing gloves. Eat it. Eat.
Give it to that baby as well.
Baby, get the baby. Eat it from my hand. Oh, no!
Oh no, baby didn't get any.
Throw it over there.
Okay, never mind. I'm not trying anymore.
Is that his mum?
Yeah, that's
Just
his mum.
eating all the food from him.
His mum is eating all this food.
Don't touch your face after.
Poor
Look, my
baby.
face keeps flying.
Right, put it over there. Put it over there.
Baby, this is for you now. Baby,
Quick,
better
quick,
catch
quick, quick,
it.
Well
Well
done.
done.
Yay!
Good boy. Oh my god.
No, did he not eat it?
No,
What?
the mum ate it.
What is going on? It's like a meerkat enclosure of some sort, but I don't know if it's used anymore. Is it used? No, it's not used. Just some lambs though. I don't think they're too bothered about eating at the moment, are they?
Give that one.
Is that too big?
Well done.
They'll get through it, don't worry about that. Lots of guinea pigs here.
That one wants one. Oh, that one's good.
These want some carrots, by the way they're sticking their heads through the gates.
Throw it into their barn though.
You could give it to them to their mouth. Give this little one one.
Give this baby one. He might bite you.
He won't bite you.
Downward.
Oh my
Got
god,
it.
look at that one.
Whoa.
Oh look, he's going to eat your carrot.
I don't think it's. I think it's.
They're beautiful. Hello, baby.
Okay, can serve you.
I don't think this sheep's a big fan of carrots.
Dad, he's going to bite you at the top.
Oh.
Yeah, having a good time.
They are so cute. These are young as well, aren't they? What this one did.
Oh, it's weeing. One of them's, yeah, it's weeing. The one that tried to lick you.
Having a waz. Oh, bless them. I wonder why they're all in here.
Morning, guys.
Morning.
When you get down there, then.
Have we got tickets, Nadia?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Welcome to the track ride, everybody. Thank you so much for coming to Swithens Farm today. My name's Lisa, and this is Tony. Give us a wave, Tony. So we're going to take you down to our pumpkin patch. We've got it all decorated up for you. And in the woods, we've got a lovely little shack, and we have a very special guest star. You little ones might know from last year, Jules Lee. So Jules is nice, she's very sweet, goes to hello to them, wants for a picture, and she's got some treats for you. Yeah. We've also got the pumpkins down there, and we have enjoy your ride, and I'll shout and get a bit nearer. Hello, cows, everybody. Everyone loves a hello cow.
You okay, Nally? Look at that! Look at that! Look at Pumpkin eating someone. Look.
So our pumpkins are coming into view on the left hand side, guys. We do have some really big ones down there, so if you purchase one, have a really good rummage. And you know, little ones, we've got some rules about pumpkins, don't you? If you get a really big one, you've got to carry it yourself. Poor dads and mums get on the struggling with babies and pumpkins and so we're just going to drop you off, and then you have a walk around the woods, and it brings you up on a pumpkin. So we pick you up from over there, guys. So we're just going to reverse it. So just hold on for a second or two for me. Don't worry.
There's your pound shop skeleton. There's a bit of something. Your ghost. What? Oh God. CSI. No one calls CSI.
Is that where you buried it?
R.I.P. Oh my God, there's more bodies. There's some nuclear waste. There's some more body. There's some serious body count going on here.
Oh, we should have asked for a picture. Want a picture with her?
Classic ghosts in the trees. Skeletons.
If you want a tissue, ask me here. Yeah, tissue. Yes.
Oh.
Too many flies.
Classic burial ground.
Sorry. Are you okay? Look, it's following down. There's a baby one. I want to go back to where we came in from.
I think that's this way.
Oh, right, okay. No, because we're going to go to the toilet.
So we're done. We're done at Swithens Farm. Really nice day. Really good time. It's a lovely place to come. Totally recommend it. If you're in South Leeds. That's a big boy in it. He is huge. He's a lad. Look at that. I'm not a southern fairy. Wow, a bit rude, isn't it? Anyway, I'm gonna go back to the car now, and we've made a packed lunch. So this is day 2 of my daughter's birthday celebrations. We went out yesterday, went to Manchester for the day. That was really nice. So yeah, we've done a few bits there, and this is like her second day, and this is what she wanted to do in the morning. So we've done that. Let's go and have something to eat, see what the rest of the day brings. So that's us signing off from Swithens Farm. Nice time, nice day. Really good if you've got younger kids. Lots of play areas, lots of animals, feeding of the animals, all that sort of stuff. Anyway, speak to you soon.